Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp online glitch. To know how to fix WhatsApp online glitch, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. After that, in this page, you will go to force stop. Then you will when you will end, you will enter to storage here, and then in this page you will click clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.